Hello, Walsh College alumni, students, faculty, staff, supporters, donors, board members. I am so excited to thank you for all that you do to help Walsh College and to share with you about our Walsh Way initiative. So, many of you have probably been following the dialogue out there about the value proposition of higher education. Is a degree worth it? What is the return on investment of a college degree? And does it make sense for someone to take out loans or go into debt in order to earn their college or their graduate degree? These are great questions, and we want to be part of the solution here at Walsh College. In fact, innovation and filling the needs and the gaps in the marketplace, those have always been part of our history. We were founded by Mervyn Walsh, who was the accountant for the Thomas Edison Light Company. How many schools can say they have that incredible founding in their history? Innovation and filling needs has always been part of what we do. And what we'd like to do is make sure that anyone who wants to come to Walsh and is willing to work hard to earn a degree, that our education is accessible and affordable. So our Walsh Way initiative allows you to participate in contributing toward this goal so we can come off of federal financial aid and tuition dependency while still keeping our programs and our education affordable for students. So there's a lot more details on the mechanics of how all this works. So if you're interested and you want to learn more, please reach out to me and our advancement department. But here's what I'll tell you today. If you know that having a college degree is valuable, like maybe you're listening to this and thinking, wow, I got my degree at Walsh and I know how much it helped me, and I wish I could help other people see that path ahead, then the Walsh Way initiative is how you can help. We are building a runway. We have a vision that is bigger than just Walsh College. We have a vision not only how to solve the cost conundrum for us, but for higher education across the world. So will you join me and support our Walsh Way Forward campaign and contribute to Walsh Way?